Today in the livestock market, it looks like a little bit of a positive picture here. Cattle really was higher most of the day, kind of trading on both sides of unchanged. That cash market is firming up, and it was very firm all of last week. Futures rose at one point to $2.75. We were above that 173 mark, but before it pulled back a little bit, it just seems like every time the market rallies a little bit, we do get some profit taking. That doesn't take away the strength of the market, though. So I think it's something to be watching as we go forward. That CVOL is at 15.9%, so relatively strong. Looking at it historically for the past couple of years, so still looking good there. Feeders were also very firm today. The storms that are kind of sweeping across the U.S. may impact that cattle movement. And so some of the feedlots are kind of bearing down for that. The trade action is relatively consolidative, but we were up 350 at one point to 227,775. That we are inside Friday's range, but still looking pretty strong. The March contract is at the high end of the channel that we've been in actually for quite a while. The channel is from 221 to 228, so we really got almost to that higher part of the channel before we started to settle back in. But the market's still looking strong with the CVAL at 17.5%. Hogs were also up. The more short covering is strengthening some of the recent gains and kind of like keeping it very strong. The first full week of the year really has Packers being a little bit more aggressive, and that's expected as we go forward. It's keeping futures above that $70 mark level, and I think the it's important to say option open interest is the highest at that $78 mark. So we're still a little ways away from that with the puts right at 70. So here we are at this point. Perhaps that's the fence there between 70 and 78 for the lean hogs just for the near future. CVAL is down 1.5% to 26.2. That's a little bit lower than we have been in a little while, but still market seems to be firming up. And this being the first full week of the new year, we're setting a more positive tone, at least to start this week.